Hi, teacher and classmate. My name is Kelly Joanna. My last name is Soler Ruiz. I am 26 years old. I am of Colombian nationality. I am like in de la montañita Caquetá. My family is very small. 32 people in my family. I live with my husband. He's nurse. I am regency student in pharmacy. I am a university student UNAT. I don't like to wait for anything. I exercise every night. 3 years ago, I was in a park del café located in the Quintillo department. I was on vacation. It was very cool because it was winter. I had the opportunity to know the tourist attraction on the time. I was visiting the tourist part of Panaca. I observed many animals of various species that was fun. I will be visiting the city of Cartagena next year. I will enjoy the beautiful beaches of that city. Thanks. Bye bye.